Hey everyone, it's Ege from Shift Up again. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And this is the second episode of our ASO Audit series. And beforehand, I want to thank you all for the very positive feedback that we received from everyone. We're very happy that we're able to contribute to the mobile tech community. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the second episode's guest app. So it'll be Varo Bank, which is a mobile banking app in the finance category in the App Store. And beforehand, I want to state that we'll be auditing the iOS app today, and it'll be a really quick audit, so you can have a quick idea on what we're doing and how to do it, how to do a App Store optimization, quick App Store optimization. So let's begin with the product page of Varo Bank. They have their title as Varo Bank, which is the brand name and mobile banking. Right from the get-go, I can say that this title really makes sense, and it's relevant to what Varo Bank is doing, and potentially, and you know, I'm pretty sure that mobile banking is a solid keyword, and it's really relevant to Varo Bank. And the subtitle we're seeing here, no monthly fees and save money. I'm pretty sure this can be improved by adding or switching keywords. So yeah, that's pretty much the metadata. We're not able to see the keyword list from here. Obviously, let's get down to the screenshots they have. So yeah, it pretty much summarizes the key value props of the app, um, having the zero monthly fees headline in the first screenshot. So yeah, pretty consistent, pretty explanatory screenshots that they have here. Um, their ratings are 4.9 out of 5, which is excellent. And they already have plus 1 million downloads in the App Store, which is also very very good in terms of growth, etc., or the user base. So obviously the biggest room always is the room for improvement, and we'll be pointing out you know different opportunities that Varo Bank can potentially leverage and get their visibility to the next level. So without further ado, let's jump into Mobile Action R, go to Mobile Intelligence app, and then make a quick keyword research, and then come up with potential suggestions. Yeah, I just did a quick keyword research and came up with 123 relevant and potential potentially good keywords for Varo Bank. And for the non-brand side or the generic keyword side, let's look at our title keywords. So we have mobile and banking in here. So let's have a look. How are we doing for the mobile keyword, and what's the search score for mobile? Do we have mobile in here? Yes, we have now. So the search score is 44. This is an estimation for search volume. So a keyword like Facebook would have 100, and then a keyword that's really long tailed and very long would maybe have like a 5. So for example, we have here like mobile tax filing, so it has 5 search score, which is considered pretty low. So for the mobile keyword, we're ranking 57th. And let's have a look at maybe banking. Uh, so we don't have banking in there. Let's have a look at banking. So yeah, for banking, we're essentially doing great. We're ranking second for the banking keyword. So right from the get-go, I'd say this is a pretty fine title. Ranking second for banking, the keyword banking, I'm pretty sure it's great, and pulling that out may cause a damage to the ranking that Varo Bank has for the keyword banking. So I could suggest switching like mobile with something else, maybe like online banking, which could let's see how we're doing for the online keyword. So for online, we're not essentially ranking at all. and its search score is 44. So, online could be used here. So let's maybe stick with online banking. Or, testing out different metadata options is another good path to follow, and seeing, if one keyword is working for you or not, or when you add a keyword into your metadata or into your maybe title, you should see and you should look at, like, if you're starting ranking for the keyword, or if your ranking gets better, or if you're ranking for a lot of related keywords. So you have to benchmark the performance that you're getting from a keyword that you add on a consistent basis, and you should keep on trying out different variations. So I'd say online banking would be a good option over here too. But if there if you're willing to take some risks, we could maybe go with something like, let's say, Varo Bank on online bank accounts. Yeah, spot on, 30. So we switched from having banking to having bank. They're similarly like indexed by Apple's algorithm, not exactly the same way, but I'd say close enough. So it might be worth giving a shot to having like online bank accounts, just because we're not essentially ranking for the online keyword. Um, we wanna um, we wanna maintain the ranking for the banking keyword. So that's why we have bank, and then a keyword that's really related to finance or banking, which is having an account in there. It might be really useful for us to rank for other keywords. So maybe have we can have a look at the account keyword. We're really tracking it. Great, account over here. Yeah, we're ranking eighth. So it might be an opportunity for us to have it in our title and maybe potentially improving our ranking for that keyword. So with ASO, there's a lot of trial and error. So you have to try to know if things or certain keywords work for you. And the second part that I want to cover is the subtitle. So our current subtitle is no monthly fees and save money. So let's have a look at each keyword's search volume or estimated search volume or mobile action, and potentially come up with a better proposal to have as a subtitle. So we have over here monthly. How are we doing for the keyword monthly? So the search score for the keyword is 15, which is not great. And even though we have it in our subtitle, our rank is 130th. So I'd say we could essentially switch this keyword with another one, potentially a stronger one that has a more solid search score. And then what do we have in there? We have fees. Let's see. So for the fees keyword, the search volume is really low. So and we're ranking sixth. We're not exactly leveraging the real estate that we're using to its full potential. So it's have it's costing us 4 characters, and then we're not essentially getting a great return on it. So I'd switch this keyword too. Maybe we can have a look at the save keyword. Its search score is decent, but we're ranking 106th. And the save money keyword, the search score is again great, but we're not essentially ranking at the very top for this keyword. So we could essentially replace this subtitle with something maybe like, let's say, transfer cash. Maybe let's cash. Oh, we have cash in there. Oh, cool. We have both transfer and cash. Great. So for transfer keyword, the search score is decent, but we're not ranking for it at all. So there's a potential positive outcome that we might get by adding this keyword into the subtitle. So we should really consider adding maybe transfer. Let's have a look at cash. For cash, we're ranking 63rd. So adding cash into our subtitle may, move the needle a little bit and push us further up in the ranking for the keyword cash. So for transfer cash, we're ranking sixth, which doesn't really have the highest search score, but individually transfer and then cash have great search scores, so we can maybe add them into the mix. And another thing that you can do, with banks which is very relevant to to banking, is building credit. So maybe we can add build credit in there. So look, we're pretty much tracking both of those keywords, which is great. Um, yes, so for build, the search score is very decent. 44 is not a bad search score, and then we're not ranking it for it at all. And for build credit, again, the search score is great. I mean, not excellent, but okay, to say the very least. And we're ranking 66th. So adding build credit in here could move the needle for us from a visibility standpoint in the App Store. How is credit? Let's have a look at credit. Again, great search score. We're not ranking at the very top. They're ranking 98. So maybe we can have a subtitle like this: transfer cash and build credit. Let's have a look. Great, 28. So the maximum amount of characters that we can have is 30. We're spot on with our title, and we're spot on with our subtitle. And with the keyword list, you can't go wrong. You have to try out like different things. But I pretty much add a lot of competitors into my keyword list too. So maybe we could add like something like Chime Plus, or Dave, which is a competitor, or PNC, um, or First Bank. I don't have to put spaces between the keywords in the keyword list. So a lot of competitors I had put in here, and I had put, a lot of keywords that might be relevant to what my or the Varo Bank app is doing, and then see if I'm able to like improve my ranking for those keywords, or start ranking for them at all for the first time. So with ASO, there's a lot of trial and error, as I said before, and it can be really time consuming to do all this yourself. So as Shift Up, we're always here for. So this will be it for the second episode. It was really nice to have you, and I hope we were able to convey some information about how things move with ASO and how important it is. And as Shift Up, we're happy to sit down with you and talk about a possible partnership. You can contact us via the contact link that you'll find in the description of this video, and you can also enter our website and leave a message via our chat box. We'll get back to you as soon as possible, and you can have a look at our track record. We're working with great apps. Our track record is flawless. So if you're in search for an ASO agency and you're willing to and hoping to have qualified people taking care of the App Store optimization for your app, ShiftUp is the right place. So hoping to have you and hoping to sit down and talk with you. Take care and see you in the third episode. Goodbye.